If you just install the Phantom Wallet app on your iPhone or on your device, I'm going to walk you through on the full tutorial guide on all you need to know basically about Phantom Wallet, right? So head over to your Phantom Wallet, right? Open it. You're going to be asked if you want to create a new wallet or if you have an existing wallet already, right? So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to just click on this, right? So if you have not created a new wallet, you can create a new wallet from here, right? So if I click on create a new wallet, right, you're going to click on create a seed phrase wallet, right? So click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you're going to be displayed with 12 seed phrases, right? So get a pen and paper, securely write it down, right? Write it so as somebody can be able to access it, right? For any reasons. So what I need to do now, I already have my own seed phrase with me, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just go back, right? I'm going to click on I already have a wallet. So I'm going to click on other import options, right? I'm going to click on import seed phrase, right? So I'm going to type in my seed phrase now. So I'm going to remove this part of this video, right? Okay, yeah, so I've currently imported my seed phrase, right? So this is basically how you can import your seed phrase. So I'm going to click on continue, right? So this is it. So right now you would be asked if you want to use the authentication to protect your account, right? So I'm going to just click on next. I'm not going to click on this yet. So you can come on here, you can create a username, right? So if you want, so you can just click on do, right? Do how, okay, I'm gonna click on continue, right? So I think it's currently creating our username, right? I'm gonna click on this, get started. So right now this is our Phantom Wallet, right? And if you want to see the full settings, just click on this, right? Click on this. Now you're gonna see the settings, right? You can add your preference, your display language, currency, notifications, right? So you can go back, you can click on manage accounts. You can still add up your wallets if you want to, right? So you're going to click on security and privacy. You can be able to see all this, right? So this is it. This is the settings, right? So you can add an account from here. Add an account. So you can also edit your account name, right? Edit your account name, edit your account bio, edit your profile picture, right? So if you want to deposit Solana in your wallet, what you need to do, you need to click on Solana, right? So if you click on Solana, a wallet address is going to show up, right? So you're going to just click on this receive, right? Once you click on this receive, you're going to be able to get the wallet address you love to receive your Solana nights. And if you love to withdraw, just click on this more, right? Okay, sorry, if you love to withdraw your Solana, just click on send, right? From here you can select anyone you want to send, right? If it's the soul, if it is anyone, just click on it, right? So you're gonna just enter the address you want to send to, right? So this is basically how you can withdraw Solana. Then when it comes to the swapping, right, I'm gonna just click on this. If you love to swap some meme coins, right, from your Solana, you can just come on here, select any meme coin you want, right? Select anyone, then you're gonna input the amount of Sol you want to use, right? So this is it. I think one Solana will get you 657 Mudeng, right? So I don't have Sol in this wallet right now. This is why it is not able to swap, right? So this is it. Then when it comes to, I think staking, right? I think you can stake from, I think somewhere. Okay, yeah. Let me see if I would see it, or maybe probably my next video. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna talk about how you can stake, right? So let me still continue what I'm doing. So when it comes to following people, and just come on here, right? Click on this people. You're gonna see people, right? You can follow anybody right here on Phantom Wallet. You can follow anybody you want here on Phantom Wallet, right? So this is how you can do this, right? Then you can also create a username from here, right? So click on this settings. You can create your own username from here, right? So this is basically how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you on the next video.